So, how do you find your draft posts on LinkedIn? This is a common question I get asked all the time. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to do a quick video on it and teach you all where to find them. Because you write a post on LinkedIn, you know you've saved it to draft, but where on earth does it appear? So in this video, I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly where to find them, how to save them to drafts on LinkedIn, and what happens to them all. I'll also be covering how to find your drafts for your articles and newsletters as well that you may have written. So I'm going to cover them all. So I'm Bex from Social Media Executive, and I train businesses how to excel on social media. I've been training businesses across the world for over 10 years. I've trained over 1,000 businesses, got over 200 five-star reviews, so I definitely know what I'm talking about. So if you do need some support with social media, please do get in touch. And any questions, please ask them in the comments, because I stream lots of tips every week to help you excel when it comes to social media. So let me share my screen, and I'm going to show you exactly how we can get into and find that draft that you found on LinkedIn. So just bear with me. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, obviously, is we need to log into your LinkedIn account. Now, if there's other social media platforms, there are different tabs where it says, this is where your drafts are, but not in LinkedIn. No, LinkedIn is much simpler. So let's say we were starting a post here. So let's say I was going to start a post, pop a post in here, you pop your text in here. Let's just pop, let's say I want to write about my LinkedIn workshop that's coming up. You type your post, you add your image, pop that in there, click next, and then you think, oh crikey, I've got interrupted, I haven't got time to finish this. So you click the X button here, and this will then save your posts to draft. So click Save as Draft, so that basically when you come back in, that draft will be available. Now, there is a bit of an annoying thing with LinkedIn, is that you can't actually save multiple drafts, okay? You can only save one. Drafts are quite rudimentary on LinkedIn. So you can only save one draft at a time. And the really annoying thing is as well, is that if you save a draft, it's exactly on the same on your phone. If you write a post on your phone, save it to draft, you can't then swap onto your PC and find that draft. That draft only sits on your phone. And likewise, I've written this draft here on my PC. I can't then find it on my phone. It just won't be available. So you've got to then go back in, again, back onto the home page. Then when you go to write a new post, that draft will be there, okay? So you can then post it or you can schedule it, okay? So that's where you find your drafts. You can just discard them, delete them, whatever you want to do if you don't want to use that draft, and then start a new post. But you can't save multiple drafts. Once you've done that, it's gone, okay? So that's how you create a draft and find a draft on there. Let's say you were writing an article, so it wasn't a post. Articles are a bit better because you can save multiple drafts in articles and newsletters. So if you wanted to write an article here, let's say we'd wanted to promote the LinkedIn workshop again, you pop the details in here. And as you see here at the bottom, it says draft save. So that's automatically saving it as you go along. And the next time, so let's say we shut this down, we go back into here, we go back into write article in the home feed, we go to manage drafts, okay? And here's the one we've just done. We can just click on this and it brings us back into the draft that we've just started. But you have got multiple drafts. These are articles, these are newsletters. It's exactly the same whether it's an article or newsletter. You can save multiple drafts for your articles and newsletter. So that's how you save and find a draft on LinkedIn. If you've enjoyed this, please do give us a thumbs up. And if you would like more tips and advice and you'd like to master LinkedIn as a platform, then please do come along to my workshop. It's happening in April. I do run these once a year. It's open to any business to join. And if you book by the 2nd of April, you get it for the early bird price and save £70. So I'm going to be taking you step by step how to create an amazing LinkedIn profile that generates leads for your business time and time again. So please do come and join me on that on the 28th of April. And any other questions about LinkedIn, please do just pop them in the chat and I'll be more than happy to help you. See you next week for lots more tips and advice on social media.